if I could touch it. Oh my god, oh my god. Over here, YouTuber. So for the next packaging, let's get into another packet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Real into Real and I am Urmila. Today's video is a haul. I have received these boxes a week ago, but due to some reason I could not able to open this, for which I have suffered also. And also I wanted these things to be unboxed in a video, not personally. I have ordered some makeup products for myself. It's been a long time and I'm being neutral with my makeup and I could not create that aesthetic look. The product I'll mention in the description box, and if you want I can give you the links as well, and in this video I'll also mention the price. So let's get started. At first I'll open this box, which I'm holding. I don't know why I'm holding this, so I'll begin with this box. Okay, so this is Lakme 925 Natural Aloe Vera Gel. Okay, wow. I think the bottom one is missing, I guess. Why this is hollow? Okay, so here I have applied this. I like this product and it's like melt in the skin and it gives you this cool feeling. Early I've been using this like the Body Shop. You know, when you don't film or when you are not in this, like you don't look for a specific type of thing, you just go and grab your stuff. But while making this I realized that how much detailedly I have to see the products I am ordering. So okay, it's a 24-hour intense moisturizer for dry skin and it's almost over. So I wanted, and this is I'll tell you this also, that this is good for winter because it's very thick compared to the Lakme product. That's why I have ordered a moisturizer for myself, because you know, before what I used to happen that I do not use any moisturizer on summers other than the sunscreen, which I already have. The Lakme product cost me 151. For the next package I have this. I know what it is because only single product, and you know, if I'm right. So this is Swiss Beauty liquid concealer and this is in a shade. Let's just open this, Urmila. Shade number 1, Warm Sand. Oh my god! I ordered a bright color and I received this sand. Does sand look like this? Which place does sand look like this? Oh my god, see, this is so dark shade and it's been like this is not my shade, so I'm not liking this. Can you see this? See, this is not my shade. If I want to create a tan look I can use this, so I'll keep this, I'll not return it. And also this cost me around 249 rupees. So okay, 249, it's affordable loss. Head into another product. So here is the product. It's a big one. So I always get excited when I receive big packaging. Also for my viewers, if you are gifting me anything, make it a big package. Okay, this is very obvious type of product which I have ordered. So I am doing unboxing because whatever I have purchased is very affordable and very cheap. So these are the brushes. See the smoothness, what we always want for makeup. This cost me 251. Worth taking this. Next pack, I'm taking this box. This packaging had came. So it's already, you can open this like this. So where is that security? Like easily someone can open this and steal my stuff, you know what I mean. At least they should have secured it with sellotape and a kind of. So ta-da! This is the first time I'm using Swiss Beauty, and I'm very scared because the first product I have received is very bad. Actually not bad, the product is not bad, it's the shade which I have ordered, so maybe they have misplaced my order, so that's it. Anyways, the product is not bad. So this is the Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, and it also have aloe vera and vitamin E. So let's open this. You know, this, as I opened this box, I did not like the smell. It gave me the orange smell. So I am going to spray this on my face from a distance. So they cost me around 247, and setting spray, I took a little break and it's like it dried. So I'll use this in 2 ways, before putting my makeup and after doing my makeup as well, and I'll tell you the results in my coming videos. So this is, and also why I ordered this, because it also have aloe vera, and the moisturizer I'm using is also aloe vera gel, so it will give a good match together. The second last product I'm opening, so let's check out this product. Ta-da! This is what I like. 1 star for bubble wrapping. It's also a Swiss Beauty Pro blush and highlight. 8 blushes and highlighter powder in palette. And this is a very good. See how it works. So I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks. Wow, I'm liking this. Amazing. See, you see this? I have a habit of using my hand because nothing can blend more smoothly than my hand, so I use my hand. Yes, you can see this is a very nice product, and I'll give this product a very nice rating. This is a very nice product. I like this product very much. I'm so happy. Thank you, Swiss Beauty, for this. I just love your product. And okay, so before this I was using Lakme 925 blush that had only 1 shade in pink. This also had highlighter in it, so so it will work together for my makeup. So this cost me around 349 rupees. At the end I have this big box, and this have a lot what I wanted. I hope this is good and I like it, and it's as I expected to be. Please God, let's just open this. Huh? See this? It's so cheap of Flipkart. I didn't like this. I didn't like this at all. Oh my! If I would have ordered this for someone else in my name, and if they have received it and the packaging, it would have been like this, so I'd be very. Let's see. Anyways, let's just open. I hope this is the same product which I have ordered. Not in. Oh, there is Jet. Ha. This says please share your good feedback. Definitely that is what I have kept for my last thing. Guys, please tell me how I'm looking in the comment section below. Let this open. It seems like I have purchased a sanitary from a local store, and I have like hide it in this newspaper. It feels like this. Okay, so yeah, let's just open this. Okay, 1 star for again bubble wrapping. It says meet your match eyeshadow tray, color board, beauty glazed. This is how it looks. That 4 palette of eyeshadow, which is very much trending on Instagram, so I've ordered this instead of ordering each and every color. This is the 2nd palette, this is the 3rd palette, and this is the 4th palette. So before that, I tell you, I've been using this palette. I don't know from what is the brand of this palette. The previous one I am using, I have broken this as well. So I'm taking this color and I'm going to apply this here. This is how they show the color. I'm going to take this part. Are you kidding me? This is, see how nice this is. This is how they do. See, I have rubbed a lot, so this much is not required. See, take this color and I'm gonna apply this. It's very nice. It's highly pigmented, and I would recommend you to buy this if you are planning to buy an eyeshadow palette. This is very good. So this cost me 445. I'm going to rate these products. So for number 1, I have, let me just take my phone and open that 925 aloe vera gel. 5 rating. I ordered that Swiss Beauty concealer, so I'm gonna give 2 rating. Open the brushes, 5 rating. Swiss Beauty Pro Blush and Highlighter, so I'm gonna give a total 5 rating. That Beat Your Match color board, I'm gonna give 5 rating to this as well. Makeup fixer, I'll give 4 rating because I don't like the smell. I hope you like my little haul video, and if you want these kind of haul videos, more haul videos, you can tell me in the comment section below. And I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I come up with new videos on every Monday and Thursday, and also on the Monday's video I'm going to use these products. Stay tuned for that as well. So yeah, until then, take care. Bye bye.